Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term Anapaest in poetry. Introduction. Anapaest, derived from the Greek word meaning beaten back, is a metrical foot comprising two unstressed syllables followed by a stressed syllable. It is the opposite of dactyl, which begins with a stressed syllable followed by two unstressed syllables. Anapaests are often used to create a sense of swiftness and motion in verse. The rhythmic nature of anapaests, characterized by their galloping quality, makes them particularly suitable for conveying speed and action in poetry. Origin of anapaest in Greek and Roman verse. Originally, the Anapaest meter was a martial rhythm used in Greek verse, often associated with military marches and dramatic recitations. The Romans later adapted this metrical foot for their dramatic works, maintaining its connection with swift action and movement. In its earliest forms, Anapaest was closely linked to epic and heroic themes, which relied on the meter's ability to evoke intensity and dynamism. Use of anapaest in English literature. In English poetry, the anapaest meter was initially found in popular verse, especially in the early 18th century. It was later employed in more serious literary works by renowned poets such as William Cowper, Sir Walter Scott, Lord Byron, William Morris, and A.C. Swinburne. These poets recognized the anapaest's ability to evoke a lively and energetic rhythm, which added a sense of urgency and excitement to their verses. Anapaest in 20th century poetry. In the 20th century, poets such as Hilaire Belloc, G.K. Chesterton, John Masefield, and John Badgeman continued to use anapaests in their poetry. This rhythmic form provided a versatile tool for poets to express varying emotions and moods, from light-hearted narratives to serious themes. Anapaests were also frequently combined with other metrical feet to create complex and dynamic poetic structures. The anapaestic rhythm in poetry. One of the key characteristics of an anapaestic meter is its galloping or running rhythm, which gives the impression of rapid movement. S.T. Coleridge illustrated the energetic quality of this meter in his poem Metrical Feet, writing, "With a leap and a bound, the swift anapaests throng." This rhythm is particularly effective in creating a sense of action, making it a favored meter for poems that describe battle scenes, heroic deeds, or urgent journeys. An example of anapaest in Byron's poetry. A famous example of anapaest rhythm can be found in Lord Byron's poem The Destruction of Sennacherib, where the meter reflects the swiftness and power of an army in motion. The Assyrian came down like the wolf on the fold, and his cohorts were gleaming in purple and gold. In this excerpt, the rapid rhythm mimics the speed of the invading army, enhancing the poem's dramatic intensity. Anapaest in William Morris's The Message of the March Wind. Another example of an anapaest rhythm is present in William Morris's poem The Message of the March Wind. "But I'll rest in the old tun, and the lights and the fire, and the fiddler's old tune, and the shuffling of feet." Here, the anapaestic meter contributes to the rhythmic flow, giving a sense of movement and anticipation, while also creating a soft, nostalgic tone. Anapaest and its martial roots. Due to its association with Greek and Roman military rhythms, the anapaest initially had a martial connotation. However, over time, poets expanded its use to various literary themes, not just those related to war or action. The versatility of the meter allowed it to serve as both a form of light-hearted entertainment and a vehicle for serious contemplative verse. Conclusion: an anapaestic meter, with its origins in Greek and Roman verse, has made a lasting impact on English poetry. Its energetic, galloping rhythm lends itself to poems that convey speed, action and intensity. From Byron's The Destruction of Sennacherib to William Morris's The Message of the March Wind, the Anapaest has been employed to enhance both popular and serious verse. Poets throughout the centuries have embraced the anapaestic rhythm for its ability to create dynamic and emotionally resonant poetry, making it a vital tool in the history of literary expression. So this was the discussion on Anapaest in poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.